Alright, what's going on, people? This is New Era Gardener and I'm back with another video. And once again, it's going to be some alpaca and Bio Char sludge for the plants. So what I took and did, it rained all day on and off. So this is how much rain we got. I added no more water to this. So this is a bag of the alpaca manure, and as you can see, that's what you get out of it. So alpaca's a cold manure, so it's perfect for your plants. Doesn't have to be composted. So that's what we're gonna use. So I made some biochar, and now I'm gonna take and pour off the liquid. And all it is, all the powder and small flakes, are going to go into that liquid. And that's what's going to work. That's what you want to do. So, just mix that in, liquid all out. And we're just going to use all the liquid. So as you see, that's the sludge from the bottom. I'm just going to let this drain off a little bit. And let's see what we get from that. I'm going to start putting this back in. And then of course, because you're getting all the smaller pieces of the biochar, that's what you're just going to put back in. It's going to be activated using the liquid, so that's good. So that'll work. And then all you gotta do is let it sit for a couple of days. Gonna have to clean that out. But all it is all the finer biochar. And you're just gonna have to make sure you definitely stir it every time you use it. Not gonna be able to put it through a sprayer. And that's just gonna be it. So I'm gonna let this sit in the garage for a couple of days. Let it ferment with the alpaca manure in there. And then we're gonna take a quick tour of what my garden looks like. Give me a second. Alright, so now we're just going to take a tour of what we got growing around here. Those are bell peppers. They're still a little small, but packed with a lot of flowers, if you could see them. Still a lot of flowers on there. And that's a Roman tomato that was given to me from one of my fellas at work. So put in a small pot, but it's growing good. Let's see what else we got. Now this is my big boy pepper. Big boy tomato. As you can see, we got some fruit coming on it, so it's doing good. It's a nice size. It's used. That's done with biochar. Plenty of active biochar in that, so That was a good one. Everybody knows that plant. That's the comfrey. You can use that for a lot of different things. So I make a tea out of it. I put it in my compost bin. And that's the cucumber. That's just the 8-inch ones. Those are the nice long ones. I picked 2 off of that already. We got some dinosaur kale there. You know it by the long leaves. I like that, but I really like the curly. And then those are my southern collard greens. They're doing good. Probably start to pick some of those and freeze them up. And then there's one nice size onion and a tomato plant I plucked out of the ground. You know how they set themselves. And then that one's the one because there was my garlic in there, and the garlic did good. So, but, and then that's these are the as you can see, the fruit in the back. These are my jalapenos. I didn't do super hot peppers this year. I'm gonna pickle these and enjoy these on my sandwiches and with chopped barbecue. You put those in the chopped barbecue, they're perfect. Now this is a pickling cucumber plant. That thing is huge. As you can see, it's got super height on it, and it's full with fruit. See the fruit in there? There's a nice one there. I'll probably start picking them. There's 3 there. Down in there, there's more. Plenty of flowers, so we're gonna have plenty of fruit on this. And then this is just another one of the collard greens and the dinosaur. So we're doing good. Let's see. These are just some different plants. Here's another pickling cucumber, which I'm going to start pickling those. Got one down in there. A couple on the other side. I don't know, you can't see it from here, but one right there on the outside. 2 down there in the bottom, which I didn't see. Those need to be picked. A couple more on that side. So there's some nice ones there. Some more plants. And then these are my carrots, which they're doing good. I didn't thin them. I left them as they are, but they're doing fabulous. And then the onions. Try to get in there so you can see the size of them. They're a nice size right now. Last time, if you remembered, I let them go right up until September, and they got huge. I'm not going to do that this year, but that's what those look like. There's 3 pots of those. Nice size, as you can see. So, and then that's another one of those straggler tomatoes that you pull out of the ground or out of one of your other pots. And here's another jalapeno. It's kind of leaning over. I'm gonna have to get something and tie it up. So, but that's it. And then this is my beautiful grass. I'm into my grass. So then we got another cucumber over here. It's doing fine. This one was definitely didn't have any Bio Char added to it. But then this is the size of the Roman tomato. This was another plant that he gave me. This one is huge. So that one's big. So, and then that's just it. Just my plants, my yard, compost bins back there and everything. I hope everybody else is having fun doing their garden this year. Mine I had a lot of fun with. I really want to take down Big Boy so I get a lot more sun in the garden. There's a couple things in the garden, some strawberries and things like that. I don't know if you can see them, but there's some strawberries back there and some cucumbers and some tomato plants. But that's the quick tour, just all the plants. But that's what I'm ready for. Alright, so this is New Era Gardener, and hopefully everybody else's garden is doing well. I'm actually going to let the biochar sludge sit for a day or two, and then I will start to feed it to my plants. So as you can see, it's got some biochar on there, and that's what we're going to do. Alright guys, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching, and I'll be doing a couple other different things. Alright now, later.